dark.
You know me?
I do. You're not the only one cursed with knowledge.
My only curse is you.
All that for a drop of blood.
Remember that, Marshall?
For lack of a better option, dummy is still on fire safety. If you douse me again and I'm not on fire, I'm donating you to City College.
Okay.
Please don't follow me around with it either, because I feel like I'm gonna catch on fire spontaneously. Just stand down. If something happens, then come in. And again, let's bring it up.
Kill power.
Just a weight and a trash can lid. Let's not kill ourselves.
Something's smoking beside him. Don't take your thing off. Or maybe it's stopped.
I need the other starter.
What other starter?
Marshall, there's a bag on the bedroom in there. It has my...
You want me to go grab it?
Yeah, can you go grab
Yeah,
it?
so this is a technical failure.
Yeah, but it's holding it in so the light has to be on and then push the button.
Then push the button.
It's
You
not
have to-
push the light in and then the button. That doesn't work.
No.
It's the light and the button together that makes
Yes,
it go.
that's why I couldn't do it with one hand. The safety pin's out.
It's not going to go.
This rocket's just not going to go.
You're just going to have to wait until you can buy a new rocket or steal one out of your rocket ship or something. It's okay.
I'll try firing it with my arm not on so that I can make sure everything's done right. So I have to use 3, 2, 1.
Thanks for watching. As you can see, the rocket didn't work very well. We tried to get it to work, but we could not. So episode 1 of the Iron Man rocket fist from Avengers Infinity War didn't go too well. It was kind of a failure, but we've made some progress since then, and episode 2 is coming soon. So subscribe so that you don't miss that, and we'll see you later.